Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start a YouTube channel and begin making money on day one, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. No need to wait for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose your niche to get started. Focus on content related to intriguing topics like mystery, news, psychology, or facts. These topics are popular and have a high potential for engagement. Look for existing YouTube channels that cover these areas. Step 2. Convert video content into text. Find a YouTube video within your chosen niche. Copy the video URL and head over to YouTube Transcript. Paste the URL into the provided field and hit enter. This website will convert the video's content into text. Step 3. Refine the text after conversion. Copy the text and paste it into a Google Doc. Review and arrange the content for clarity and coherence. This will be your base article. Step 4. Optimize the article next. Visit phrase.io. This tool will help you rewrite and optimize the article for better readability and SEO. Once optimized, copy the new version back into your Google Doc, replacing the original text. Step 5. Publish and monetize. Now you're ready to make money. Go to Vocal Media, a platform that pays you for articles. Upload your optimized article here. Vocal Media pays approximately $3.80 per $1,000 views on your articles. If your article gets 10,000 views, you earn $38. Step 6. Scale your efforts to maximize earnings. Consider scaling up. Instead of just one article, aim to create and upload multiple articles daily. For example, if you manage to produce 10 articles a day and each earns around $3.80 per $1,000 views, your earnings can add up quickly. Over a month, this could significantly increase your revenue. Step 7. Keep it efficient. Efficiency is key. The process of converting video content to text, optimizing it, and uploading it should be streamlined. The more articles you publish, the more potential income you generate. Even with a modest number of articles, you can make a substantial amount of money. Step 8. Optional upgrades. For those willing to invest a little, Vocal Media offers a paid membership that boosts your earnings to $6 per $1,000 views. The subscription costs $9.99 per month or $99 annually. This upgrade can enhance your earnings, but it's optional. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to start a YouTube channel and make money without waiting for monetization. By leveraging video content and using tools to optimize and publish, you can start earning on day one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to check the description for all the essential links. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care, and keep earning with Pluscoin.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +Go_in.